Lesson 2 English and French. The modern Canadian society is deeply rooted in the Christian traditions brought by European colonists. Most people in Canada speak English or French. The federal government is required by law to provide its services in both official languages throughout Canada. 7 million Canadians speak French as their mother tongue, compared to 18 million Canadians who speak English. The majority of Francophones live in Quebec, but 1 million also reside in Manitoba, New Brunswick, Ontario, and smaller groups in other provinces. New Brunswick is the only official bilingual province. Acadian culture is a result of French settlers, who settled in what are now called the Maritime Provinces in 1604. During the war between Britain and France, 1755 to 1763, the majority of this population was deported. The Great Upheaval is what is called, but Acadian culture survived and is now an important part of Francophone Canada. Quebecers are the people who live in Quebec. Most of them speak French. Most Quebecers are descended from 8,500 French colonists from the 17th to 18th centuries. They have their own unique language, culture, and identity. The Canadian government recognized in 2006 that Quebecers were their own nation and part of United Canada. Quebec is home to a million Anglo-Quebecers, whose heritage dates back 250 years. Over the past 400 years, hundreds of thousands of British settlers, soldiers, and migrants have contributed to the development of the English-speaking culture. The English-speaking immigrants contributed greatly to the culture and life of Canada. They're sometimes called English Canadians.